bad bitch when I walk in the function. It's custom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, period. As you guys can see, my good sister right here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very extremely tremendously excited right now. I don't even know if that word like kind of even goes with that. Anyway, I'm very excited today because as you guys can tell by the title, as you guys can see by my good sis Destiny, I am going to be going blonde today, okay? I don't even understand how excited I am because I've been wanting to try a long 613 wig for the longest. Like, I've been wanting to try a 613 wig for the longest, and baby, today we are doing just that. As you guys can tell, as you guys can see, the girl is giving plucked, she's giving stuck, she's giving very much movement, no stiffness. It's giving I did trim the ends because the ends was like giving real dead, like all the way to the end, and bitch, we don't do dead ends, split ends, trimmed, you know, we don't do that. I also plucked the hairline. Let me put it up close. So I plucked the hairline. I don't even know if you guys can really tell or not, but I plucked the hairline and everything. Bleached it. Well, I didn't bleach the knots. Please do not bleach your 613 knots, baby. You won't have no knots to bleach or to pluck or to lay, okay? You won't have no lace, you won't have none of that. I did not bleach the knots, but I did tone the knots. So the company I will be working with today is called Berrysfashionhair, and they sent me this beautiful unit. So they did send me a lace frontal 613 wig. It's 24 inches. I did, like I told you guys already, I did trim the ends, and it was just to make the ends more, you know, just look a little better. It was just real thin at the ends, and not super thin where it's like what the fuck, but it's like, okay, you know how it be shorties who like got real long bundles and then it'd be like thin at the ends, and it's like, baby, you can chop that, but it's okay if you keep it. It's like a I would cut it, but it's okay, I guess. That type of thin at the ends, not the type of thin where it's like, oh baby bitch, you need to cut that no matter who you are, what you are, baby. It's not giving. You feel me? I'm very excited. I said that 50 times, but we're gonna get right into the video. I do have a client soon, very soon, so let me text her. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to install the unit, and then I might keep it straight because I love the bone straight look. Like, it was very much giving when I put it on my head. Baby hairs, of course, and if you guys want to see me try different hairstyles, just comment down below and I'll try different hairstyles with the 613 wig. If you guys want to see how I customize the 613 wig, let me know down below and I'll show you guys how to customize it. If you guys want me to turn the wig into another color, because I might for my birthday, because my birthday's coming up November 18th. Scorpio, stand the fuck out. Period. Okay, so if you guys want me to color the wig, whatever, maybe let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. Okay, boom, I'm talking too much, doing too much. I'm very excited. As you guys can see, I said it for the 6th time. Comment down below how many times I said I'm excited, because baby, I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. Wig cap, ball cap method, baby. It's already done because I hate doing ball cap methods on camera because one, I don't know, I just feel like it's very simple. Like, you guys already know how to do the method for the most part. If you guys don't, it's so many videos on how to do it. The lighting might be a little off because I have my mirror like literally right here, and it's blocking this light, so excuse me. Dang, I really wish I could go to this video shoot today at 4, but I have a client. I don't know if I'm really gonna speak too much throughout this install because I kind of want to watch something on TV or like on YouTube, but we'll see. I probably would end up talking because bitch, I feel like talking. Like, I feel like talking to the people. How are you guys doing? Are you guys excited for the install? Oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys what the fuck I'm using. This is not a specific powder like, oh, you must use this one. This is just a powder I got at the beauty supply store. Nothing fancy, nothing extra. You don't have to do, you know, just a powder I got at the beauty supply store, but you just want to make sure it's your tone or like just close enough to your tone. So this one is mine. You can see the color, and it looks darker than it actually is. Me looking at this, it looked a little dark like if I'm just looking at it, but once I put it on my wig cap, you know, it matched. Okay, matched good enough. The color I got was toasted almond, so Yes, toasted almond. I'm a toasted almond. And I'm going to be taking this same powder that I used on my wig cap, and I'm going to use it on the inside of the wig. We're going to take the wig off. Before we even, hold on, let me put it on my head really quick. Bad bitch when I walk in the function. It's custom. Okay, period. A little tip that I can give you guys, and it's something that I use myself because I hate these shits, and it's like, why are you there? Because most of the time it don't even do anything. You guys see these clips on the sides? I don't need them because they're pointless. Now the one in the back I'm gonna keep because I honestly use this clip sometimes, and you know, sometimes it has the wigs have a clip like right here, and I usually cut those off also because I feel like it has a little bump and makes a little lump in the wig. So I'm gonna cut that off, and I'm actually gonna be using my razor. Please be careful. All you need is one little cut of the thread, and then all of the thread should unravel and come out. Cut that little piece right there, and if you have a sharp razor or new razor, it should be way easy. And then we're gonna just, you feel me, and then it's just this little piece, cut this little part right there, and then another piece, cut that, and then voila, we're done. Like I said, same powder, we're gonna dab it. They also be having like the little sponge at the bottom. You could use that. I'm not using that. You want to be very careful because this is not a regular black wig, baby. This is 613 wig. You don't even want the shit to even get on the hair. I'm gonna finish up adding the makeup on the inside of the wig, but also you do want to add a little bit on the outside, but you do not want to get it too close to the hair because you don't want the hair to turn brown. Okay, so I'll be back when I finish. Okay, so I finished the, you know, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I finished it. I'm gonna take a piece of paper towel. You can use a rag, paper towel, tissue, whatever you got, a cotton pad, cotton swab. It's not really oh, you have to do it this way or it's not gonna come out cute. It's really whatever works for you. Once that shit look good at the end and you're not damaging your fucking hair at the end of the day, do you. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna lay the wig because you kind of want to have that kind of structured before you start gluing shit. And also I'm gonna be doing the method where I lift my skin and then glue. Just going through right here and I'm just cutting. I don't want to cut too much and then I'll be fucked up. So boom. Bitch, I'm excited. Like, what the fuck? Go back with the alcohol. Clean. And you really want to make sure you have a clean surface. I'm going to take this, and we're not gluing near the wig cap. Near the wig cap, but not on the wig cap. You feel me? I really hope I'm not talking too much. I'm sorry, but I'm kind of trying to make this a little more interactive, you know, because I could speed the shit up and just let it but we're trying to make it, you know, so y'all can feel me, y'all can see me. So we're gonna smooth that out. And you can smooth it back a little bit too. I know people use blow dryers and shit. I don't really care to use the blow dryer while I'm doing this just because this glue dries like really fast. When you do the lift method, you kind of want to put the glue, well, this is what I do. I'm not a fucking certified cosmetologist or hairstylist, but you know, I've been doing this for like, you know, a little 2 years, you know. But anyway, close like to your eyebrow low key because you're gonna pull it back, okay? And once you pull it back, it's like, you know, y'all gonna see. So you don't want to put it too close, but you want to pull it a little bit. And if you mess up, it's okay to, like, you know, get you a little tissue, napkin, something, and just, like, you know, wipe it off or start over. It's okay. You mess up, shit, you know, shit happens. And as you guys can see, the glue dries fast as fuck because that's already dry. We're gonna go on the other side and we're just gonna kind of repeat that, and I'm gonna put that like that. Both sides are dry. We're gonna just repeat this whole process. We're just gonna repeat this whole process until I get about 3 to 4 layers of glue, just because I do plan on keeping this wig on for a little bit. Oh yeah, and because I go to the gym a couple times a week, I do want to make sure I have enough glue and it's holding, because baby, we do not want the wig to be slipping and sliding once I go to the gym. I am going to be wearing an elastic band, but still. Okay, so I don't even remember how many layers I did. I could have did 4, could have did 5, bitch. I really could have did 6. As you guys can see, this is the side that's pulled, this is not. And it just gives you like a little facelift. I'm gonna try to do it on this side. Okay, so I kind of did this side way better. Like this side is the perfect, exactly how I want this shit to look. Oh, hold on, what's this? It's on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my big elastic band and I'm literally just gonna put it on just so this shit could stay, because it's giving it's not staying. And this is just for the glue to just sink in. Bro, y'all be careful with these elastic bands because them shits be tight as fuck. Okay, so elastic band on, and I'm literally gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, just so the glue could kind of, you know how they be, you know. So I'm gonna leave this on, and then we'll be back, just making sure all this shit is glued down. It's just one little spot right here that I do have to put some more glue on. So I'm gonna just take the end of my comb. I could really take the end of anything. I'm gonna take the end of this comb because it's a little thicker, and I'm just gonna spray it on there. It's gonna be all liquidy, and I'm just gonna add that right on top of the lace of where, you know, just on top of the lace. And I'm really showing you guys that because you guys see that the lace is low-key disappearing. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but bitch, I could tell in person, and in person is all that matters. Also, the camera, it does matter, I'm not gonna lie, because bitch, I have shoots and I be having events and videos and shit, and I would hate it if my lace was all up and shit. I'm gonna next. They's not breathing. I'm gonna check. Blowing in demons. Period. Thumbing through checks, blowing in demons, blow them in demons, period. We're gonna take the elastic band, which is right here, and I'm just gonna literally pull it as tight as I can, and then I'm gonna put that right on top of where I just sprayed. You can use the blow dryer to speed up the process, but I low-key forgot I was doing this hair and stuff for a second. But okay, we're gonna do the reveal together just because I don't want to be surprised when I take this off, and if I'm these things are so tight. Gotta take it off so slow. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. And I'm just adding a little bit of makeup in certain areas. Got a bitch that play and moves in my jacuzzi, pussy juicy. Okay, so this is how we're looking, guys. Let me put the hair in the middle first. Damn, y'all, my camera is dying. My camera is literally dying. It's literally blinking red. Okay, guys, so I switched my battery, but I feel like it didn't make it any better because my battery's still on 2%. The last one died, my camera died, but this battery got 2%. And it's blinking because it's gonna die. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you guys the setup for the baby hairs. I'm gonna use my spray, I'm gonna use the spray that we used at the beginning, the Even New York spray, and I'm just gonna put my elastic band on, charge these batteries, and I'll be back. Woo! Okay, y'all, so as you guys can see, I already took the baby hairs out. Everything is looking way flatter than it was when I first was on camera, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how the lace looks. I'm gonna be using my baby flat iron. I'm literally gonna pluck my baby hairs just a little bit, just to make it a little thinner, because we do not want no thick ass hairs. I do not know if I'm going to be showing you guys me doing my baby hairs because I do not want my camera to die. I charged my battery a little bit, but it hasn't been that long. And also, I don't have that much storage, so we're gonna just see what we can work, what we can do. And yeah, we do not want no thick ass baby hairs. We don't. Excuse my little ugly faces I make when I'm plucking. I be having little ugly faces I be doing like while I'm doing my makeup or like plucking or something like that. Grab baby hair, hold baby hair. Grab razor, and you kind of want to do it in a downward motion, like. Grab this side, comb that side. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot I was recording for a second. I need to help you back with operations. Yeah. Side. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the spray first just to see how this goes. So spray a little bit of the holding spray. Kind of just try to lay the baby hairs like that. Either way, I'm gonna tie. I have to tie my baby hairs down. Oh, the spray actually works really nice. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the spray. Leave it like that. So, ow! I must have burnt myself because that shit fucking burns. Yeah, I definitely burnt myself with the fucking hot comb. Anyway, so take that and we just want to I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Gorilla Style. And we're just gonna lay. The other hair keeps getting in my way. I'm gonna go tie down my baby hairs and then I'll be back when they're fully dried and ready to show you guys. Whew. All right guys, so this is actually the next day since I recorded this video. So this is one day after the last clip. I don't remember what the hell I was doing. Let me turn this down. I feel like it's a little too bright. But I went ahead and I did my baby hairs, and I'm not gonna lie, I did use a lot more of the Gorilla Snot on my baby hairs because I feel like it laid them way better. Like it laid it better than when I used the spray. The spray kind of just made it fluffy and sort of kind of stay. It was moving a lot, but the gel actually made it look a little thinner, and then also it actually sits down better. Scratch what I said about the Gorilla Snot, but I did my makeup because me and my sis is about to go take some pictures and I'm loving the look. I'm loving the hair. I want to show you guys the outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this yet, but most likely I am, just because I kind of don't feel like changing. But okay, so this is a shirt. Feel me? I got this from a photo shoot with my last check, and then I put on these pants to go with it. They're kind of like not the same leather. Oh, look, I got a six-pack. Ooh, but it's not the same leather, but it's not the same leather, but you know, it's close enough. Very cute. And I think I'm gonna wear these heels with them just to give them like a all black aesthetic, you feel me, with the blonde, you feel me. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going for. I'm waiting for my friend to text me so I can be on the way to wherever she is. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed creating the video. I'm very excited. Like, everybody was loving the hair, and I didn't even post me with the hair yet. I literally just posted like a little clip when I was in the middle of the install, and boom, my shit was going crazy. My story was going crazy. Everybody was like, ooh, new color, Desi, blonde Desi, what the fit, you feel me? So yeah, period. Make sure you guys go check out Berrysfashionhair because it's very much fashionable, and it's very it's giving, undeniably. Parted. Didn't even have to do the little concealer shit. Edges laid. I did burn myself like twice right here, so if it looks like a little dark right here and it looks like it's lace, it's actually a scar, a scab, because I burnt myself. Okay, and everything else is very much giving inches. Okay, let me get out of here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Comment down below any other videos you guys want from me or any other hairstyles you guys would love for me to try. And until next time, Desi out.